learning daily routine. Do you want to learn with us? Let's do it. Do you know the days of the week? If not, let's do it together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Can we do it together? Let's do it one more time, but a little bit faster. Are you ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Good job, everybody. So, this week, we are going to be learning what Cody does every day, his daily routine. Let's find out what he does on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Are you ready? Let's do it!
On Monday, I wake up at 8 a.m. I am in my bedroom. I wake up at 8 a.m. Oh no! It's 10 a.m. On Monday, I cook breakfast. On Monday, I cook eggs and toast. What's that bad smell? Oh! I burned my eggs! On Tuesday, I go to school. I am in the hallway. On Tuesday, I go to school and I wait for the bus. Oh, this bag is so heavy. On Tuesday, I brush my teeth. I am in my bathroom. On Tuesday, I brush my teeth. Oh! That's not my toothbrush. Where is my toothbrush? On Wednesday, I watch TV. I'm in my living room. On Wednesday, I watch TV. I love cartoons. On Wednesday, I cook dinner. I'm in my kitchen. On Wednesday, I cook hamburgers. What's that bad smell?